Hello, my name is Johnny and I'm a proud member of the Lily Ann Cabinets team and family. Today we're going to assemble a wall diagonal corner cabinet. Let's get started. Here are the tools we'll need today to assemble our cabinet. A bottle of wood glue to help secure and bind the cabinet together. A Phillips screwdriver to adjust the hinges as necessary. A drill gun with a number 2 Phillips bit on it. A magnetic tip is recommended but not necessary. A rubber hammer to help set the cabinet as needed during the assembly process. We also recommend to lay down a cloth or cardboard during the assembly process to keep your cabinet damage-free. Start with the face frame on the table and slide the side panel into place using the dovetailed grooves. Use the metal clips to secure the side panel to the face frame. Now slide the top and bottom panel into place. Slide the other side panel into place and secure it using the metal clips. Now, using the dovetail grooves, slide one of the rear side panels into place. Once in place, use the pre-existing holes to attach the sides together. Now, put your shelf clips in place so you can slide the shelves into the cabinet. Now put the shelf clips in place on the unattached rear side panel and slide it into place. Attach the side panel using the provided screws. Now you can slide the rear panel into place. Using the provided screws, secure the rear panel to the cabinet. Attach the corner braces to the top and bottom of the cabinet. It's time to attach the hinges to the door. Once completed, use the pre-existing dimples on the face frame to attach the door to the cabinet.